An emergency fund is one of the most important financial safety nets you can have. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected expenses can arise at any time, from medical bills to car repairs or even losing your job. Without an emergency fund, you may be forced to take on debt, which can complicate your financial future. But how much should you save, and how do you start? First, aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This will provide a cushion for most emergencies, ensuring that you have enough to cover bills while you get back on your feet. If you're just starting, don't stress about hitting that target immediately. Start small. Set a goal to save $500 to $1,000 as a beginning emergency fund, then build it up over time. To build your fund, start by cutting back on non-essential spending. Look at your monthly budget and identify areas where you can trim expenses, such as dining out, subscriptions, or entertainment. Redirect that money into your emergency fund. You can also set up automatic transfers to a dedicated savings account, making it easier to stay consistent. Another great tip is to make use of windfalls like tax refunds, bonuses, or extra income from side gigs. Instead of splurging, put this extra money directly into your emergency fund. The more you save up front, the quicker you'll reach your goal. It's also crucial to keep your emergency fund easily accessible. You want it in a savings account or money market account where it's safe and liquid, but not so easy to access that you're tempted to dip into it for non-emergencies. Remember, the key to building an emergency fund is consistency and patience. Even if you can only set aside a small amount each month, it adds up over time. And once you reach your goal, you'll have the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're prepared for whatever life throws your way.